Customer dropped his phone, and this is what happens. He saw flickering and some other different colors like purple, green, and then the phone died. He went to a couple of places and they told him that they don't know what's going on with the phone and they have to investigate. When he came to us, within 5 minutes, he have been quoted and he agreed for the repair. So the only thing which we have to do is change his screen because there were no water damage. So we open the phone and we take this back cover out, and then this is fast forward. Here I'm taking all the screws, and after taking the screws, then we take the rest of the parts like the plastic bits and pieces, and then the connectors, the antenna, the charging port, flex cable, and the display cable. Then we take the motherboard out, and then we put it in the new housing. So as you can see, the battery and then the flexes back one by one. Then it goes the bottom cover and the main cover, which protects the battery from any hits. Then we apply the back cover, and that's it. The phone now is fixed, and it needed just a screen, and customer is not losing any data. This is how I'm testing the screen, because I don't need the customer's password. The screen works and the touch screen works. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.